Hi, guys, and welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel. And I want to share with you a website that you can actually get cash back on your orders, your purchases online. This is a really cool site that I've just found. Now, there are a few, if you go back to my previous video, I share a couple. I think the last one that I shared was not too sure which one that was. I think that was Rakuten. That's actually a cashback site, but this is also a really cool cashback site that you can actually get a really good return on your anything that you're buying. Basically, who wouldn't want a cashback? So the really cool thing about this website, first of all, this is for the UK, so it's UK based. um, Now, all of the purchases that you make, if we look here, they've got Shane. I don't know if you ever use this. I don't personally shop on here, but they've got M&S. They've got, like the mainstream brands. Holland and Barrett. I know I'll be using that definitely for sure because I buy a lot of stuff from Holland and Barrett. Um, Makeup, Nike stuff. Wait, let's go up and see what they got. They even got travel. So you can actually book holidays on here and get a cashback, which is super cool. Um, they've got fashion, like clothing, electricals, laptops. You can buy, like, if you're buying a camera or buying a laptop or buying a device, you can get cash back on that purchase, which is super cool. So this is another website to look at, guys. Now, the utilities for me is very interesting because, if you're paying gas and electric, who wouldn't want cash back on gas and electric or energy? So there's a lot of stuff to actually look at on here. They've also got Disney, Virgin, Booking, um, like the main places that people shop is on here. Asda, if you ever shop at Asda, this is another great one. TK Maxx. Let's scroll down and see what else they got. Able and Co. That's like an organic vegetable place where all of their vegetables and I think they also sell some meats as well, but that's all organic and you're getting up to £5 back. I'm not sure on the order, but like how much you're meant to be spending to get that £5 back, but you get £5 back, which is super awesome. Now, guys, this all adds up. Just imagine if you're continuing, because obviously everyone does shopping, right? Like shopping for necessities, I'm talking about. So if you're buying necessities, like you're gonna buy it anyway. So if you just simply buy through this cashback website, you're going to be saving money, even if it is £5. If you're going to be spending on the exact same things, you might as well get some money back from it. Do you know what I mean? So, and later on it's going to add up over time, and then you're going to be able to cash out like late, like obviously, you don't want to be cashing out straight away because there's just small points you're getting, a couple of pounds here, a couple of pounds there. But what's going to basically happen is going to add up at the end of the year, and it will be a lot of money at the end of the year. Like it could be a couple of £100 that you'll be saving. Okay, so I think it's pretty awesome, guys. If you want to check out the link is in the description below this video. But also, this is where it gets really cool. So they've actually got a referral program, okay, where you can refer others to. Now, I spoke about this in previous videos where I talk about cashback websites just like this, where they offer a referral program. So as you can see here, it says tell a friend. So we click tell a friend, and we're going to have a look at the commission rates once you refer someone. So help a friend save, and you'll get £20 free cashback. That is super cool, guys. So help a friend save, you'll get £20 free cashback plus a sign up plus a £5 sign up bonus for your friend. Okay, so basically you get the £20 and your friend gets £5. How cool is that? Okay. So, guys, you could just be making money just by referring people. But I would personally I would be using this anyway because there's nothing really to lose. You're literally, just using this. I mean, who wouldn't want to get cash back on their shopping that they're already spending It's a no-brainer. It's an absolute no-brainer. So instead of shopping, you know on the regular website, we go here. Let's see if they've got Tesco's, because I shop in Tesco. And Tesco groceries, here we go, look just over here. So we click here and it's £6.60 cashback. That is super cool. Imagine, like, after a year how much that would be. Okay, so the minimum basket value is £40. Now you're not going to do £40 shopping for a week or whatever. I usually spend more than £40 on shopping. Okay, so this is really powerful because you're getting £6 back. You're actually getting £6 back after a while, like after a year's time. That's going to add up big time, and you'll be saving a couple of hundred in in a year's time. You'll probably have depending on obviously how much you spend on shopping. But anyway, guys, this is a pretty awesome way to not only get some money back but also to make money by referring other people. Okay, so if you want to get signed up for free, click the link in the description below this video, get signed up. This is an awesome opportunity, guys. You don't want to miss out on this one. And yeah, from now I'm definitely going to be using this for shopping rather than going to the direct Tesco website. I just come to here, do my shopping on here, and get my £6.60 every time I shop. So anyway, if you like this video, please do like, comment, and also subscribe so that you can get more awesome videos. And I will see you in more videos. Take care.